What up, vlog world? I don't know. Tyrian, come in our vlog.
How cute.
Come
we say we are carrot Tyrian and we are going left in my room.
Yes. Tyrian, come in our vlog. Turn up and take a picture now. Pose. You mean? Give them a smile.
Lord, I'm a see holy water.
Joke. Come on, Tyrian. I weed this way out. Outfit of the day. What up, vlog world? Oh, my phone camera too clean. Just pick up everything. That view though. Let me show you view. Alright, man. So now, well, yeah, I'm on my way in town like right now, cause I have to go deal with one and two things. I don't know, say graduation, they're right around the corner. So yeah, I know, say you have to be lit. So yeah, I'm here still. But they are going Olina Gideon said, do you know? I'm bait things. Yeah. That view though, it's just so pretty. God. Guys, remember to check out my sister's YouTube channel at MELICASKYLIFE TV. Everything each up. No space, no underscore, no full stop. Just each up say do it. I know you see her. I don't know you see me say do it too. Yeah, cause don't know say we are one. One. Peace and love we say. Yeah, you. So vlog world, today I just want to talk about what going in the streets, what going in the society. Like, I can't understand them people here. Man, we did broad daylight. Police not did it. When police did it, then they're somewhere else. Like, if somebody did today, yesterday, all of them pack up in said place which why somebody did. And it feels that somebody has to go there, they said place and need to have common sense. And the people them not working, because they know. You understand? But boy, God soon come in your world, don't. So yeah. Also one piece we say I love. Just make sure so on the heart right individually and on the family heart and everybody want to love. So yeah. So have nothing to worry about. You understand? So yeah, vlog world, me just there bored and I like my hairstyle, me just did that hurry up do something. I don't know what going on about them, I don't know what going for your bone. Yeah, cause I have to run go deal with my graduation thing as such. Anyways, when we see me Thursday, cause a Thursday graduation and I'm vlogging like today is Tuesday. So it's in 2 days time. So yes, when we see me in my bag of ear, my bag of dress, my bag of shoes. Vlog world. That's so yeah, my bag of makeup I like. I don't know my skin clean already, so I don't need that, but I have to just put liquor for the occasion, you understand? So yeah, vlog world, I weed this and just make sure someone take care of yourself, said we go and show the love. Who a fight, you know, not bother watch that, just make sure say wanna keep safe. Yeah. Wanna keep safe and be good, you know? Yeah. One love we say, Bob Marley style. So anyways, bye vlog world. I hope so you enjoy this little piece of my videoing and hope say just take care of yourself. And just take care of yourself. Yeah. So anyways, later vlog world. Enough love.
Hi guys, you don't know the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! I want the damn. We have Punki right here. Punki, go say hi to the vlog. Hold it. Sandra. Okay.
Hello
vlog world. Clean.
Chantel. Clean and clean. Yes, tired.
I wish every friend we are going.
We this out and clean and fresh.
We're gonna do the outfit of the day later on, guys.
Yeah. It's gonna be lit. Okay, okay, vlog world. Must I say, I look so clean and neat. You know, today is the day of the graduation. My nails were not done, but I still look lit. I still look lit. No makeup. No makeup. Melika, that. Shani, that. In our glasses and our shades.
Hi, vlog world.
That's the driver, that's T right there. And this is us. Just stay tuned for the outfit of the day. And what else? Outfit
Basically
of the day.
the entire day.
Yes, the entire day. Wish me luck. Wish
So
me
guys, it's a very special day for Boss and Stephanie, and you and Melika should very emotional and vintage. So I'm just excited we're on our way there now. So stay tuned for the journey. If you're on the channel for the first time, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love. Thank you for stopping. The sister died.
Go Stephanie! Stephanie!
Spin, flip. Go on. Go on. No, turn around so. Flip your head and turn. Smile now. Yes! Spin. Whoa! Go on, go TV. Do some extra now. Do some turn around. Do some like what I normally do. Move. Move. Come, put the ad by your head. Thank you. Stephanie, me want to try cap in her ear. Dying. Run. Yeah, this is mad now. Oh shit, me want to catch it out. Chop it out again. Sorry, chop it out again. Come to that side there. Light too much over here. So. Yes, the lighting.
It's 360 now.
Stand up. You stand up. Turn back around. Stand up. Turn around. Light. No, Stephanie, if you see a glow up on the camera, I'm not about this. Turn around, Punki.
The vlog world, yeah. Our this graduation done and beard things, yeah. Are we this? Are we?
Yeah. One go, you see it?
Yeah, said we so.
Beautiful girls.
Yeah.
All over. One go.
Alright.
Very pretty girl.
This no graduation done and everything. Yeah. Remember, his graduation did nice, that's true. Graduation did nice. Yeah.
Speaker man did already. Alright, so we are.
So yeah, we this.
Why are you so tall? Please to get me.
Yes. Girl.
Yeah, we this.
Skyline.
Give them a big smile. Give them a big smile. Big
Yeah.
smile. Big smile. Big smile, Chantel. Big smile.
Wait now.
Yeah. You this.
Say we have swear. Guys, you don't know.
Yeah.
Hashtag Punki in the description. And I comment back.
Yeah.
Hashtag graduation, the balloon them go bust away.
Hashtag Punki.
Go burst, take up it quick.
And remember to subscribe, guys, and like this video. Yeah, me look lit. Me not lie. Me look good. Me look good. Madeline would have fit me. Not true. Not true. Yeah.